Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do another makeup recreation video for this month. Before we could start, I just want to quickly say one thing. This could be the last video that I post for October and my next video will be up by November 2nd week. I will try to come in between and post a Diwali look. I'm not very sure, but if I film one I'll definitely upload here or I will definitely upload on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. Also, I have some Navratri eye makeup look coming for this 2020 Navratri on my IG page again, so I will leave the link of my Instagram handle in the description box below. So in today's video, I'm going to recreate Shreya Jain's makeup tutorial. As excited as I am, I'm also very scared because her makeup skills are so good and I've been following her for a very long time. I should say for around like from 2015 or even before that. So I'm very excited to recreate one of her makeup looks. So as usual, I have her makeup look on my laptop over here. This is one of her chit chat get ready with me kind of look, and she should have been wearing a golden lehenga. So I have this golden color, like light golden top with me, kurta with me, so I thought I could match the outfit as well. So without any further delay, let's start. Okay, for primer, she's gonna use the Becca backlight priming filter, and as a matter of fact, I have it. And she made me buy it. Like, she talks about this product so much that when Becca launched, I had to purchase it. So I'm gonna use the same product today. For her foundation, she uses the PAC HD liquid foundation. I don't have it with me right now, so I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I'm going to follow Shreya's technique to apply the foundation today. I don't generally use the beauty blender directly to pick up the foundation, but that is how she does in today's video, and I'm going to do the same. And she also applies foundation on her lips to neutralize her lip color, and I'm going to do it as well. And she uses the YBP Makeup Perfector, which I have. This is my oldest beauty blender, and I'm going to use this to blend my foundation today. For concealer, she uses the Urban Decay Weightless Concealer, and I'm going to use my E.L.F concealer because this is one shade lighter to my skin tone, and I rarely take this to highlight under my eyes, and that's what she is doing. So I'm going to apply it on places where she applies for highlighting. For contour and highlighting, she uses the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and she picks up the banana powder from that palette to set her concealed areas in place. I'm going to take the Becca Hydra Mist. This has quickly become my favorite setting powder after my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Since this is a loose powder, I'm going to be picking it up with my beauty blender. So she uses 2 shades from the Kat Von D palette with a brush like this. Her brush looks a little smaller than this, but I'm going to pick up this brush and take the contouring shade from the Sugar palette, this one, and I'm going to use that for contour. And for blush, I'm going to take the same blush from this palette. Yeah. For blush, she uses the NARS Orgasm blush, and she also gives a dupe for that, but I don't have the dupe with me, and I'm gonna go with the blush from my Sugar palette. So for highlighter, she uses the Becca Champagne Pop, and guess what? I have it. So I have it in the mini size, and I'm going to use this. And for the application, she goes really ham on heavy with the highlighter application. So I'm going to use this big fan brush because this gives more concentrated and more blinding highlighter look than my small fan brush. So next she uses her makeup setting spray. She uses the NYX one. I'm going to use the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Setting Spray. And to say in Shreya's language, I'm going to take a quick little shower with this. For eyebrows, she is using her Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and the Miss Claire pencil is the only eyebrow product I have, so I'm going to use this. She's going to use the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm just going to follow the colors she's picking up and the technique she's using. So I'm just going to pause and play Shreya's video so that I am able to follow her technique to the point. She uses the NYX eyeliner pen, the curved one for eyeliners, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline colossal eyeliner. I'll do my eyeliner and I'll be right back. For mascara, she uses the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. She also applies false lashes. I don't have false lashes, so I'm just going to do this. For lipstick, she uses the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade 22, and she told in that video that the Elle Color Pop lipstick in the shade Coral Dose comes very close to Kylie's 22, and I bought this color like I think last month, so I'm going to use this. So this is the final look. She would have curled her hair for the look, and since I have naturally curly hair, I just washed my hair before recording this video and just let it air dry so that the curls get enhanced. And I also went a little close with the jewelry. She would be wearing a similar design earring and a mantika. I thought of buying a mantika from Amazon for this video, but I wouldn't use it afterwards that much. So I just skipped that and made use with what I had already. I really hope I did justice to Shreya's makeup, and she would have worn this for a wedding guest makeup. I will link the video from which I recreated this look in the description box below. You can also wear this for the upcoming festive season. So with that, I am signing off today.